Learn how to upload your book on BiblioAuthor with this comprehensive step-by-step guide. Part 1. From entering book details to submitting files and previewing your work, this guide helps you confidently complete your book upload process. On My Accounts tab, click My Uploads. Now, click Upload Book. Begin the book upload process by entering the first step of the submission form. Enter the title of your book in the designated field to identify your work. Provide a concise summary of your book, keeping it within 350 characters. Write a detailed description of your book, ensuring it does not exceed 1250 characters. Now add how much your book is gonna cost in USD currency. Select the appropriate trim size of your book from the options given. For custom sizes, please click the link and provide us the correct trim size. Select the preferred binding style, such as paperback or hardcover, from the available options. Here, define if your book used full bleed pages. Decide if your book cover will include lamination and select the corresponding option. Choose the type of paper and print quality that matches your book's content and style. Specify the total number of pages your book contains to assist in production. Here you can assign the author or contributor's name responsible for the book's content or add a custom contributor role. Indicate if you want to sell your book or use it personally, such as legacy books. If you want to sell your book, provide your 13-character ISBN code. If you only have 10-character code, click here to use the converter. Confirm whether your ISBN was obtained for free from a publisher or purchased independently. Set the official publishing date of your book to establish its release timeline. Identify the publishing house or press associated with your book's publication. Indicate if you have your own barcode. If not, generate one by clicking the link. Save your current progress as a draft to avoid losing any entered information. Proceed to the next step in the upload process to continue adding book details. This ends Part 1 of your walkthrough in uploading your book in BiblioAuthor. In Part 2, we will learn detailed book information entry, category selection, file uploads, previewing your book, and final submission steps.